Hey guys, we're Mike and Kathleen of woodshopmike.com and welcome to episode 4 of the Scrapwood Challenge.
So this is our 4th episode.
The 4th episode.
On July 4th.
On the 4th. Yeah.
Excellent.
Totally did not plan that, but here we are.
We didn't. So today we're taking a patriotic spin on our projects and we're both making our own version of an American flag. So Kathleen, what are you going to be making?
Well, I'm going to be making an American flag.
Yeah, what are you going to be using?
I'm going to be using these scrap pieces of pine that you had left over from making Annabelle's bed, as well as this Mac Daddy piece of leftover pine that you had pre-stained for another project. So thanks for that.
You're welcome. Yeah.
Appreciate it.
I saved you a whole 5 minutes.
You did.
So I am going to be making my flag out of some poplar offcuts. They're all different thicknesses and such. And then I'll be using a sheet of plywood for the backer of my sign.
Nice.
Flag, not sign. Anyways. So, anything else?
May the best flag win.
Excellent. Good luck.
Good luck.
All right, well, we're all done building for the day. So, Kathleen, tell us about your project.
I made an American flag.
Very nice.
I used 2 different stains. I've got espresso and I've got classic gray for these lighter strips. And I have some stars that I painted on here with Rust-Oleum's white chalk paint. Trimmed it out with mitered corners, my very first mitered corners.
You did a good job, y'all.
I feel like I can conquer the woodworking world now. And I also noticed that once I trimmed it out, you can kind of use it as a serving tray as well. So it's like your project last week, but cooler.
Can you tell she's a little sister?
I wear it well.
Yeah.
All right, so tell us about yours.
Okay. You want to move your sign? All right, so I made a American flag as well, but it is cut out in the shape of a star, so it's a little bit more artistic.
Is that what that is?
It is.
It's a star?
Very good.
Wow.
She passed kindergarten. And then I used a torch to char all the dark sections and came back with a Dremel tool to carve out the stars.
So you got to play with fire and make a project.
Yeah.
Totally.
It was great. It was great.
A special thank you today goes to our military members and their families for the freedom we enjoy every single day. Thank you guys. Happy 4th.
Thank you for your service. So y'all know what to do. Comment below or head over to our Instagram stories to vote for your favorite project. We'll tally up the results and let you know who won.
And until next time, have fun making something.
See you.
You ever used a square before?
Wood.
Your wood's longer than mine.
So, what's going on over here?
Hush. I
Got
want to talk about
paper towels all over the place.
it. Made a mess.
It's not that difficult to pour paint.
I was just unrolling your paper towels for you in case that's the way you wanted them.
Yeah, no, I mean, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, you're gonna dust those off, right?
Oh yeah, the air compressor.
Bye.